Good morning, students. This is Shashi Verma, your English teacher. Okay, tell me, how are you? How are your studies going on? I hope well. Okay, but in today's session, we are going to do the seventh part of voice. Okay, in this series. So, in this series, in this video, we'll do imperative sentence. Okay, we'll learn how to change imperative sentence into passive voice. So first of all, we do the recapitulation. Recapitulation. So uh, we have done indefinite, continuous and perfect tense. In indefinite, all the three tenses are changed. In continuous, two, and in perfect, all the three. So in the tenses, all these 8 sentences are changed. Okay, perfect continuous tense, the fourth one, it will not change. Okay, so as you can see, this actually helping verb, only helping verb is changed in this. Rather other changes are same in all the, while changing all the passive forms, but the helping verb is different. Okay, so I have written here all the helping verbs that are being changed. Okay, and you just have a look of it. Like in indefinite, in present we use zamar, then past was were, and future will be shall be. Okay, in continuous is zamar plus being, and past was were being, and continuous future continuous is not changed. Then in perfect, hasn't have been, had been, and will have been or shall have been. Okay, this is in a tabular form, so you can just note down it. Okay, let's check you how much you know about the previous sentences. Yes, so what has she done? Change this sentence, question sentence, into passive voice. What has she done? Okay, you have only 5 seconds to complete it. Okay, yes, start. Fast, try to do it. Okay, what do you have to place at the first place? Okay, this is the clue for you. It's okay. So what has she done? What has been done by her? Okay, what has been done by her? क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपका सब्जेक्ट कौन है? शी. ठीक है, तो शी को हम यहाँ लास्ट में ले आएंगे, और वर्क क्या है वो हमने क्वेश्चन में लिया है. ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट वी हैव why had they accepted this offer? Change it into passive voice. Why had they accepted this offer? Yes, why you have to put at first place like the first one. Yes, do it fast. Okay, yes. So why had they accepted this offer? Its passive voice is why had this offer been accepted by them? Okay, correct. Now we do, okay, tell me, what do we call these sentences? I'm reading these sentences for you. You just recall what do we call these sentences. Okay, open the door, consult the doctor, erase it, fire, come in please, don't move. So remember it, recall. So these sentences are known as imperative sentences. Okay, imperative sentences. So open the door is order, consult the doctor is suggestion. Erase it. It's yes, if you say erase it, it's an order. If you say erase it, it's a suggestion. So it's both. Fire, it's a command. Fire at once. Okay, it's a command. Then come in please. Request. Don't move. Don't move. It's an order. Okay, so these are imperative sentences. Okay, so to change the active sentences of imperative into passive voice, we have two ways to change them. Okay, so first one is using let. Using let. We use let and be to change it. So let's see. Yes, so its formation is yes, obviously verb plus object. Verb plus object. Why? Because imperative sentences start with the main verb or with the helping verb. Okay, in case of, if you say don't do this, don't move, then you have started this sentence with don't, do form, helping verb. Okay, and if you are saying that fire or give me one glass of water, so you have started this sentence with the main verb. Okay, so that's why verb is written here. Okay, then what will be the formation of the passive voice? So first we put the let, then the subject. Okay, then what will be the subject? The object of this passive voice will be the subject of the object of the active voice will be the passive voice, will be the subject of the passive voice. ठीक है, एक्टिव वॉइस का जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो पैसिव वॉइस का सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा. ठीक है, और ये हमेशा याद रखना है कि लेट के साथ हम उन्हीं सेंटेंसेस को चेंज कर सकते हैं जिनके साथ उनका ऑब्जेक्ट होगा. ठीक है, यदि जैसे फायर, सो इसको हम लेट के साथ चेंज नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, इसको चेंज करने का सेकंड तरीका है. तो अभी हम लेट वाला तरीका सीखते हैं. देन सब्जेक्ट, देन वी यूज बी, एंड विद द बी यू नो वी यूज V3. ओके, देन okay, these are the examples. First is open the door. Open verb the door. Okay, object क्या ओपन करना है? ऑब्जेक्ट ओपन करना है. सो डोर ओपन करना है. सो लेट द डोर बी ओपन्ड. ओपन वर्ब है, थर्ड फॉर्म में चला जाएगा. लेट द डोर बी ओपन्ड. ओके, पुट आउट द लैम्प. लेट द लैम्प बी पुट आउट. पुट, थ्री फॉर्म्स आर सेम. देन बटन अप योर शर्ट. अपनी शर्ट के बटन बंद करो. बटन अप योर शर्ट. Let your shirt be buttoned up. Okay, correct, easy. Then we practice some negative sentences. Don't do it. Let it not be done. Let it यदि negative है, negation में है, then आप उसको not use करेंगे. डोंट डू इट, लेट इट नॉट बी डन. ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट के बाद नॉट लगाएंगे, फिर भी आएगा. डोंट पुट आउट द लैम्प. लेट द लैम्प नॉट बी पुट आउट. डोंट इरेज इट. लेट इट नॉट बी इरेज्ड. लेट इट नॉट बी इरेज्ड. ओके, देन वी हैव द second way to change active into passive voice for the imperative sentences. Okay, so that we do using you are dash 2, and in dash we have various impressions. Okay, we have various impressions like imperative sentences we speak to suggest someone, to give order. Okay, So these sentences are used to give suggestions, advice, command, as I told you here. So these expressions we used in these sentences in the passive voice while we change it. So order, if there is an order, then we say you are ordered to. If it is a request, if it is a request, then we'll say you are requested to. Okay, pleaded is same as request, you are pleaded to. Then suggested, you are suggested to if you are giving an advice, or you are advised to. Both are for advice. Okay, then notified, if you say words to notify someone, to give notice to someone, then you can say you are notified to. Okay, then if you are giving command, you are commanded to. Okay, so these expressions we use here. Then these are the examples, like if we said fire, so commander, commander command to the soldiers to fire the gun. Okay, so fire the gun and fire, both are the same thing. Okay, so it's in command, they have to fire at once on one command. Okay, so you are commanded to fire. It's very easy to change, just you have to put to before your sentence. Okay, बस देखना इतना है कि यहाँ पे यू आर डैश में आप कौन सा वर्ड फिल करेंगे, कौन सा एक्सप्रेशन यहाँ पर लिखेंगे. ठीक है, ये बस देखने की बात है, बाकी इसको बनाना बहुत इजी है. ठीक है, जैसे कम इन प्लीज, सो इट्स एन रिक्वेस्ट, सो यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू कम इन. डोंट मूव, इट्स एन ऑर्डर. यू आर ऑर्डर्ड नॉट टू मूव. यू आर ऑर्डर्ड नॉट टू मूव. Okay, like if I said stand here, यहाँ पे खड़े हो जाओ. क्लास में बोला जाता है ना stand here या stand up. So if we want to change, if we want to say it in passive voice, then how do we say it? You are ordered to stand up. You are ordered to stand here. Okay, so this is like this. Oh, it's our game time. So in our game time, in our favorite time, what you have to do, you have to find the answers. Okay, you have to find the answers. So what answers? Dash this glass dash cleaned. Okay, dash this glass dash cleaned. So डैश में जो भी आएगा जल्दी से उसको फटाफट 5 सेकेंड्स में इसको जल्दी से गेस करो. ओके, यस, योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. 1 2 3 4 5. Here we go for the answer. So let this glass be cleaned. Let this glass be cleaned. Okay. Yes, now the next is edit it, means correct it. There is one mistake, so find that mistake and correct the sentence. Let your shoes be lace up. Let your shoes be lace up. इसका एक्टिव बनेगा lace up your shoes, यानी अपने शूज़ के लेसेस जो है वो बांध लो. ठीक है, lace up your shoes. So let your shoes be lace up. I hope you have found the mistake, because you are now smarter. Yes, so let your shoes be laced up. Third form is here. Okay, then yes, what is being instructed here by the teacher. Okay, you can see this picture. क्या हो रहा है इस पिक्चर में, देखिए जरा. आपकी क्लास ही बैठी हुई है, बट ऑब्वियसली ये शशि मैम नहीं है. So don't talk to each other. These two students, they are talking to each other. So don't talk to each other. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to change it, obviously, in the passive voice. Yes, change it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we go for the answer. Yes, you are ordered not to talk to each other. Okay, you are ordered not to talk to each other. Correct? Then, yes, let the bell be. Let the bell be. Yes, guess the correct expression, correct word for it. Let the bell be. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go for the answer. Yes, let the bell be rung. स्कूल में बेल बजती है ना, बेल हमें यदि पियन को बोलता होता तो हम बोलते हैं ना, रिंग द बेल. सो लेट द बेल बी रंग. ओके, देन वी हैव द नेक्स्ट. ओके, what is it? Mail, email. Okay, so you are dash to mail me. You are dash to mail me. Yes, find this fill up word that you have to write in the fill up. Yes, fast. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, here we go for the answer. Yes. You are advised to mail me. You are, yes, you can write request also if you are requesting someone. Okay, if you are doing a request, then you can say you are requested to mail me. Okay, if you are advising someone, then you can say you are advised to mail me. Okay, so here we have the next one. Yes, have a seat please. Have a seat please. You can see this picture. Yes, this man is offering a seat to this beautiful lady. So क्या कहेगा ये? Have a seat please. So you have to change it in passive voice fast. Okay, time's up. Yes, you are requested to have a seat. आप यहाँ पे, because you are offering a seat. You are offering a seat. So you cannot say you are ordered to have a seat. कोई भी नहीं बैठेगा फिर, ठीक है ना? It's a request. So you are requested to have a seat. Then what is this, students? Like the video. Okay, so change it in passive voice. Okay, I'm telling you, there are two ways to change this sentence. You can change it in both the ways. Okay, yes, fast. Now I'm giving you 10 seconds. With the 10 counts, you have to change this in passive voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now press the button. Yes. Oh, this is the first one with the let. Check कीजिए, आपने भी यही बनाया था या नहीं? Let the video be liked. Let the video be liked. And the second one with the yes, you are suggested to like the video. you are suggested to like the video. Okay, if you like this video, then you are suggested to like this video. Okay, and all the videos. Okay, then it's over for this. Okay, it's very easy thing, not much difficult. Okay, so up next one is left, that is the last part, passive of models. Okay, passive of models. In models we have so many examples, so many, like 10, 11 or 12 models. So I think to make this video separately. Okay, so that will be our last video for passive voice. Okay, so with this video, students, you have to do your worksheets in your note, in your book also. Okay, so do that, and I hope you like this video. If you like it, then like the press button. Okay, yes, yes, students. Okay, bye bye, happy learning.